So one more.
Oh.
Well,
All right, starting over here.
Perfect with your dress, Joe.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So where are we now?
We're going to your ex-husband's funeral.
Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
Oh, that was cold.
Push this down so far.
Celebrating your divorce party.
Yes. Back on the market.
Oh, I didn't even notice you guys there. How are you? Oh. Hello, everybody, and welcome to a special edition
Of Tuesdays with Tricky. Hi, I'm your host. I'm Tricky. For today, we'll be talking everything about me. Me. Look at these mama jamas. Who is that? That's not my sweetie.
No, that's my sweetie.
Oh, so today, guys, we are wearing beautiful formal gowns by Sarah Benet. Sarah Benet.
You can't even talk properly.
I feel flustered.
Well, I'm not flustered. I have my special bling out handbag. I'm in my special bling out dress. All right, so let's talk a little bit about the fashions. All right. So, what can happen with this beautiful dress here? You can wear it as is, as you see. Yeah, YouTube, get that. Look at back. Check the back. You can wear it as is, or Shari can just do some moderations for you, some customizations. So if you'd like this to be your wedding dress, you can add tulle, you can add feathers, you can add, it's limitless. You can customize any way that you'd like. Or this could be your, what is this something after? Reception dress. Or you know what? I'm sorry, guys. This could be a wedding dress too, just like this. You know, just nice and simple.
Yes,
and
if you have a nice, simple, sexy wedding like how I had one.
How can you have a wedding with these children?
Well, that's why you get married before you have children.
Oh, them is flopping me. There's no any flower dresses for her.
I mean, that's
It can be arranged.
Oh, it can be arranged.
that's the ultimate birth control right there.
All right, guys. So let's talk a little bit about Sarah Benet. This is a
Look at me now.
okay. Let's
Look
show
at me.
Tracy. Stoop down so YouTube can see a beautiful face.
So this could be a reception dress also.
Remy wants to model too. That's what's wrong with her.
And it's like fully diamanty. So if you actually go onto her Instagram, which is what is it?
At Sarah Benet _
You logged it? You pinned
No,
it?
I can't reach. But
Oh.
we have some Sarah Benet fans here, or some customers. No, they're not customers. They're clientele.
Well, she did this really wicked photo shoot with this dress, and they're like in the dark, and it just glitters, and it looks so wicked. So I mean, you can also rent the dresses if you don't have to pay for them.
Look at that! Look at that! Ooh, if you didn't have children before, you're gonna get them tonight. Hey,
Wow.
just saying.
Wow. Okay.
So there is a website coming soon. It's going to launch soon. So there will be a website, so you'll be able to see everything. But in the meantime, you can just check out Sarah Benet's Instagram page, so you can see what can be done. You can, you know, get your, guys, it's summertime. It's outside time. Okay?
Well, I feel like there's also a lot of weddings that happen at this time too.
Okay, can we see Tracy now? Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Jeez. Tracy hair is looking so nice.
Thank you. Oh gosh, look who's here with us. Slice's here too.
Always. Yes, I'm back in Jamaica. All right, let me tag in the comments. Tracy, you want to talk a little bit about the dresses, and are there rental dresses? Because we also have another little surprise as to what else we'll be wearing.
Yes. So she does offer a wide range of dresses. So there are semi-formal dresses, there's sexy dresses to go to parties as well. And they also do some bridal dresses. So they do rent them, and the rentals are for 3 days. The bridal dresses start from a rental of $350 US, which if you have ever been wedding dress shopping, that is actually an amazing price. But and she does alterations according to your body type, to just get the dresses coming back on, you know. So today is my 6 weeks. I've had my 6 week doctor checkup, so if anybody knows what that means. Maybe I don't know what that means, but anyway. So yeah, what are you doing?
I'm going to tag. I'm going to tag.
Oh. So yeah. So I mean, you could even wear this to the wedding if you wanted to, or I guess if you're having like a 50th anniversary or something like that. Jamaican Beauties, I'm here just late. She says she loves it. Oh, you guys, I'm such a little flustered today because Stevie was just horrible this morning. I can't even explain it to you. She had a good night last night, I thought, but then this morning she just like wouldn't stop crying. She was just crying. Oh, so that's why I'm the reason it's a little bit late today.
A little bit late. 2 minutes late.
Sorry Jodi. Sorry Slim. Okay. So.
Alright guys, so you want to see more of Tracy or you want to see more of me?
But no, I'm gonna get changed.
Alright, so as Tracy said, she has a little surprise. Okay, so Tracy's gonna get changed. She has a train on her dress here. And I'm going to pretend like I'm hosting one of those wonderful shows in my nice dress. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to TwosDays with Tricky. My head is cut off here on my YouTube, so I'm just going to just push this up a little bit, you know, because YouTube is how we make the money. Alright everyone, so this evening, Sarah Benet is a fashion house that caters to, and we're going to say clients because we are doing some fanciness up in here. Alright, so it caters to the client who knows what she wants. Something fancy, something upscale, something one of a kind. Did you record that? Because that could be a tagline. Yeah. Tagline when I work with, you know, jizum. Okay, so she specializes in formal attire, but guess what? Definitely not limited to that. No, check this out. You're gonna get a little nipple there. You think so? No nipple for you. No nipple for you.
Do you have a panty?
Yes, I do. It's called a flesh tone panty. I went to the beach and got a little bit of a tan. So you know we are, you know, in with a tan. Yes.
Oh wow.
Yeah, Let's see what Le Comente is. Look, okay, we're back to the formal host of
so
the show.
Because you're a host, is there like a host forum, and do you know Steve Harvey?
No, there's no host forum.
Oh. So you flop.
The showroom, there is a showroom, is reserved for consultations and fittings only. If you'd like a consultation or fitting, you can email or DM. How do you place an order? We know you want to place an order for this wonderful one-of-a-kind piece that's definitely customizable. Would you like to be a bride? Would you like a quinceanera? Would you like to just rock it out at a party?
Do we have quinceaneras in Jamaica?
Quinceanera, well, we have people that turn 15 all the time. Let's just make sure we don't have a little bit of, what's going on here?
So what do you do in Jamaica? Like, how do you...
Yes, so what my dress is, it's my just back from Bali dress. That's what's happening.
You got a real good tan in Bali.
Yes, Bali has that amazing sun, you know. And then you go to your party and, I'm at the bar over here. I'm at the bar.
Are there any cute guys at the bar?
Lots of cute guys at the bar, especially when you're wearing this number here. Y'all already know what time it is. It's time for Lady Bee Mixology. She makes me so happy. I feel like I'm like, what's a jingle girl. Today I'm having a peachy lemongrass.
What did Stevie say?
Ooh, this is nice.
My au pair, what Stevie say? Oh,
Stevie's here in the room. Jeez, on piece tray, look beautiful.
thank you.
Guys, there's something nice. What's in the pouch today? So in tequila, Lady Bee Mixology has not saturated, what you call it, infused peach and lemongrass together. You know how lemongrass just has that nice, refreshing summertime vibe? She captured that in a pouch.
Oh my gosh, like a Disney princess.
Oh, see someone here, my favorite designer, she's so professional. I just got my dress for my event. Can't have an event with a baby.
I know. You have to have an au pair.
You have to have an au pair. Get your nanny on. If you're going to get a dress like this, you need a nanny so you can dance the night away. Dance the night away. Can you please tell me?
Let's talk about the etiquette.
Oh. Alright guys. So when you're in these wonderful dresses, it's formal wear. And I don't know, I always equate formal and black tie with a wedding. So let's go through a couple tips and hints for wedding etiquette. The book is called When I Prayed For You. Guys, that whole book feature is also on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. It's under Remy's Sprinkle. Alright, so the traditional wedding white dress indicates purity, and that doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be a virgin to wear white. It simply means that you just should not have been married before. Just a guideline, doesn't mean you have to. Because if I get married again, I'm sure as hell wearing this with some white.
Who are you getting married again to?
I don't know. I feel like if I get married again, it will be like to you.
Yes, I agree.
You know?
I agree.
That would be a party.
Yes, that would be a party. That's who you were meant to get married in.
That's how I was meant to marry my sister.
I can't believe how slim you got.
Hide the nipple. I am not touching. Listen, I'm trying to. I got some big nipples. Look at y'all. Make them nipples on.
Yeah, you really got some matte.
Yes, I have big nipples. That's fine. Not everybody can have slim nipples. Okay, good. Always return your RSVP. No, guys, you know when
in a timely manner.
In a timely manner.
By the date that they recommend.
By the date that they. We just need her to hurry up and come over here.
I'm coming. I have to get dressed. A princess always needs time.
Yes, Mary Tricky. Sure, I'm going to deal with you later. In my nude panty. Checking it out? Hey, hey.
Ready?
So when you're at a wedding and you're going into the ceremony, it is correct for the bride's family to sit on the left of the aisle and the groom's family to sit on the right. And ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Tricky for her quinceanera. Oh wow, Tree.
I want to cry.
You look beautiful.
I feel like you should play some music for me.
You want me to sing?
Yes. I thought you were singing.
Oh. She's the most second beautiful girl in the room. She's only second to her sister, a witch on a broom.
I am the Disney princess you all have been waiting for. I love you all. You guys, this dress, I feel so beautiful. Look at me. I do look like a princess. Okay. So this is one of the dresses that is available for rent. So she comes in and she fits it for you. So we had a mini fitting for this session that we had with you guys, and Sarah came. She's so sweet, and you know it's funny because you definitely have to show your nipples to strangers once you're doing like dress fittings and stuff, you know. And I feel like as you get older in life, nudity around others becomes more prevalent because, you know, having a baby, you just
Vagina to the world.
Yeah, skin out in front of your doctor, and you know you're doing dress fittings. It's nips up, you know. So, but this has a little bit of gold trimming on it, and she does do custom made wedding dresses, custom made. So if you go with a certain design in mind, she can do that for you. And she gets some of her materials from abroad. I asked, and yeah, because you know, I don't want to be like, oh, she got her stuff from Pings, you know what I'm saying? Like, nothing's wrong with Pings, but everybody gets stuff from Pings, so you kind of want to feel a little bit like you got something different, you know?
Yeah.
I'm a bride too. I'm a bride too. I'm coming. I'm coming. Guys, I'm beautiful.
Oh look, this is like if we're marrying each other. Oh, well, give me me my time down the aisle.
Alright, go.
You see, I'm a different kind of
She
bride.
is the most beautiful. She is the best in the West. We love you, Jojo.
I love you too, Tricky Boo. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, no, I need YouTube to see how beautiful this is. This is so nice. Alright, YouTube. Alright, we have YouTube focusing on the dresses because this is so nice. I feel really, really pretty.
I feel really, really rich.
Okay guys, and you love the headpiece? It's so nice, eh? Look at that.
So let's finish up with some of the wedding etiquette.
Okay, so talk about the cost of a wedding.
Okay.
It's expensive!
Weddings are super, super expensive and they vary from what country you live in. So when I was planning my wedding before I decided to do my 12-person bonanza, it was going to cost me about, how much was it, Joe?
I don't know.
It was going to cost me about 40,000 Jamaican, 40,000 US to have 250 people. So, I mean, you actually pay per head. So when we were making our list, we had to think about, is this person worth, and we counted up all the vendors we were going to have, and it was about $800 per couple. So you have to think about, is this couple worth me paying $800 for them? It gets really, really expensive. I mean, the food alone was going to be 3 million Jamaican dollars.
Oh wait, what were they eating at your wedding then?
We weren't even having any seafood. That was chicken and beef.
So what you want to do when you're fitting your wedding dress, and this is fact because I definitely did this, you want to make sure you can dance and get on bad.
Let me see.
So when you're fitting your wedding dress, you're like, oh mommy, yes, I think this is the one. One moment please. Make sure you can.
Okay.
Why not go?
Okay. Or you can have a beautiful dress like mine and then have a reception dress.
Yeah.
I'm doing that too.
Yeah. Say, yeah, husband, see why you want to marry me there. Hey. Make sure you can scooby away all of those things. Okay, girl, make sure you got your scooby away going on. Go, Tricky. Go.
I'm a sugar plum, and then when you marry me, I grow and I open up
Like a frog, so beautiful and sweet. She's a sugar plum fairy, oh so nice and neat. Sugar plum fairy, a devil in the sheet. Yeah, alright.
So anyway, why I was telling you that weddings are expensive is because as a guest to a wedding, it's really important that you do your role as a guest, which is RSVP on time and actually show up to the wedding. Some people RSVP and then they don't show up. That's a real problem for most brides and grooms because they have spent the money. As I said, it was like $800 per head to come to my wedding, which didn't happen.
Anyway, so here's the breakdown on cost for a wedding. Traditionally, the cost of a wedding was split between the bride's parents and the groom himself. The bride's parents pay for the bridal gown, the photography, the bridesmaids' dresses, and the entire reception, including the cake. It is left to the groom to pay for the feast for the church, the honeymoon, buttonholes, that's the boutonnieres and the flowers, and his bride's flowers. Once again, men get away with everything.
Well, you know, times have changed and we're now in 2020 and I feel that a lot of the traditions have kind of been, we don't really adhere to them anymore. So now it depends on what
You make your man pay for it.
It depends on what the bride or the groom can financially afford as to who pays for it. But when you are doing your invitations for a wedding, it actually goes with doesn't the wording for the invitation.
So I didn't look that up because the wording for the invitations, it goes into all kind of things. Who's single, who's just dating, who's married. But if you're invited to a wedding, don't take a +1 unless it's indicated on the envelope.
No, the wording for the invitation that was like so and so formally invite in. It says in conjunction with this family.
Yeah.
It depended on who paid for what, didn't it?
Not really, because usually you put both parents even. You should put both parents. It's nicer. Nowadays, all them thing there, make your man pay for it and just put everybody in at the invitation. Hey, everybody come to my wedding. We're going to have a DJ. Oh, you know. Okay, Escobar is going to be the DJ at my wedding.
Escobar.
Yes.
Oh.
Y'all know who Escobar is, right? Come here playing at my wedding.
I
We are
want
not
Sky
playing.
Juice. And I
Oh,
also,
Sky. Oh,
and
good
I
one.
also want a live performance by Ghost.
That's such a good idea. Girl, looks like we made it. After all this time with girl, my baby.
What?
He sings Celine Dion. What's
Yeah,
that
but I don't know what you were singing.
I was getting into it.
Oh. And then I want to dance with my honey.
You know, oh.
Oh.
Oh, you have quite a voice there, eh?
Thank you. Thank
Oh,
you.
this is lovely.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get married to you.
Oh, God.
We're going to have such a good party.
My girl, with this headpiece looks
It's so
amazing.
nice, eh?
I love it with your hair like that.
Headpiece looking good.
Okay, let's talk some more about the wedding etiquette though. So definitely, as you guys know.
So here's the biggest wedding etiquette tip. Save your wedding money and get a house. And then dress up in a dress and take pictures in your house. That's what you must do. Take pictures in your house, take pictures in your house. Make sure you can do this or your wedding now go look good. God, you're too stiff. Do this. Hey, do that. Okay, go ahead now.
Okay. Well, also, you want to show up to the wedding on time because you don't want to get there late because then the bride has to come and she has to come up on the aisle and stuff like that. So don't get there late. Also, get to the reception on time. Don't be early to the reception and don't be early to the reception because they might still be setting up. So you might give the...
Go early if the bar is open.
Yeah.
You won't have to wait for drinks.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah.
Another wedding etiquette tip is do not complain about the food or what drinks they have to offer. It has been very expensive for the bride and groom to put this celebration on for you to come.
Yes.
So when you complain that the chicken dry or they only have Freixenet and they don't have Moet, it's really offensive to the bride. Like,
who has spent all of her months trying to make you guys happy. Because all a bride sits down and does is want to make sure that her guests are comfortable. So let's make the bride feel good. Let's eat that dry chicken. Let's get drunk off of that Freixenet. Because let me tell you something. Alcohol is alcohol. Unless it's by Lady Bee Mixology. Then it's just premium juice.
another tip for wedding etiquette is do not wear white to the wedding. White or any wedding event. No wedding event should you wear white to. None. Don't wear light colors either that can photograph as white. So sometimes people wear a light pink or a light blue or a light yellow. Be very aware that these colors might photograph as white. Just stay clear of anything that could possibly be white. It's the bride's day. Give her a chance.
She paid for that day. Let her wear her white. What tip can I give? Make sure you look good. You are the bride. Yeah. Oh, brides don't be too drunk, but you could be tipsy. It's fun. Look at this dress. Look at these boobs. Woo! All right. Look at the side here. All right, got a wax there. All right, yeah.
Okay.
All right, next formal tip. Okay.
Buy a present off the registry. This is a tip. I'm not going to lie, I have fallen flat on this one a couple times, and that's mainly because I have just either lost the invitation or forgotten. But you know what? It is definitely so important that you buy something for the bride and the groom. And honestly, I didn't realize how important that was until I had Stevie and people started giving me gifts, and it was so nice to just be able to make a start without having to worry about what was there. And that's what brides and grooms want. They want to get into their house and they want to make a start with the stuff that they have chosen off of their registry. So please don't go and buy something that's not on their registry because it might not be their style or what they want. So just try and buy something off of the registry. Now, I'm pleading with you brides out there, please make a registry that is affordable.
Not every gift needs to be $560. You can get a barbecue for cheaper.
Yes. So brides, please make a wedding registry that ranges between $50 up. Because sometimes people just don't have it, but they would like to celebrate with you and they would like to give you something.
You know, you are, girl, you are on point. Woo! Yeah! Right.
Okay.
Brides, cut this crap about, what you call it? A dry bar.
What is that?
It's like when you have a wedding and there's no liquor.
That doesn't
Stop that
exist.
crap. Jesus had wine and all these other things.
Why would you even have a dry bar?
We don't want a dry bar. Cut down your number of your guests.
Wet
Make sure your
bar.
dress is fabulous. Have a wet bar. And Lady Bee Mixology. Just saying.
Yeah, you can actually have Lady Bee Mixology come in and make a special entrance drink for you. So at a lot of weddings, you go in and they have an entrance drink. And it is something that they have, it's in the color that they want, or it's a drink that is specially formulated because the groom likes scotch and the bride likes vodka. So they might have a scotch drink and a vodka drink. You can also get Lady Bee to make these drinks for you. That is absolutely fabulous.
Try on a dress that you think that, because I went in and I was like, oh, mermaid, mermaid, mermaid. But remember I tried on that weird style that your mommy told me was way too antique. But there was a style of dress I really like. But look how beautiful this looks on me. It's giving waist. It's giving boob. It's giving décolleté.
It's giving you life.
It's giving me life. Like, I'm sorry. I love this dress. It's giving, look at that, look at that. I got to wax. Saw that? You see that?
You waxed?
I waxed before I went to Bali and Phuket and the other place I went to this weekend.
Okay, another wedding etiquette tip, and this one is for the brides again. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Another wedding etiquette tip, and this one goes out to all of our brides again. We totally understand that you want to go and take pictures so that you can remember, so that you can always remember your very special day. Taking pictures is something that I think is super, super, super important because guess what? At the end of the day, you are so anxious, so high anxiety, or you might have had a little bit too much to drink that you actually don't even remember your own wedding day. Take your pictures and take your time, brides, taking your pictures. But also, please remember that there are people waiting on you. So, have a fabulous cocktail hour with lots of food cocktails there. Please don't have a dry bar cocktail hour. That's horrible. And then don't have no food. Oh, I mean, you have to give me something more than banana chips with ackee dip if you're going to take 2 hours to take your pictures. So, here's a little chefy tip as to how to make your reception fill up your client, fill up your guests so that they feel good. Try a dim sum cocktail hour.
Dim sum is cheap too.
Dim sum is cheap and it fills you up really fast. 2 sorbos, you're not gonna even want to eat dinner. So try it for dim sum. Also, don't be afraid to have something traditional at your cocktail hour, like KFC chicken or patties. Yeah. Don't be afraid to have that. My girlfriend had that because her husband loved KFC chicken and she loved patties. And they had this at the cocktail hour and everybody enjoyed them.
Coming to the front, excuse me. And if it's your wedding, the guests who you've invited will know that these are food items that you in particular love. So they shall not laugh you to scorn that you have served popcorn chicken or cocktail patties.
I enjoyed the cocktail patties.
I must say, my favorite part about the the wedding, is the bar. As you know. Okay.
All right.
Ooh. Looking good, looking good.
All in all, brides, I want you to remember that this is your special day, but you don't have to break the budget doing it. Stay within your means. Always stay within your lane. Don't feel ashamed at what you can provide or what you can't provide. Remember that these are your family and your friends who you have invited. If you think somebody is going to be overly judgmental of anything you have provided at your wedding, then guess what? You need not invite them. Simple.
Charge an entrance fee. Tip 1. Just saying.
Okay.
Okay guys, so we hope that you check out the dresses. You can DM, you can email. I have pinned, how you pronounce it, the fancy name?
Benet. Sarah Benet.
Sarah Benet.
Okay, guys.
Underscore.
I'm gonna take this off.
So it's not just weddings, and as she has rentals. So is my dress a rental?
Yes, it
I
is.
really love this dress. I really like this dress. So there's rental dresses that start at $280 US, and that's for 3 days. So that's really great. So if you're a bride, you have little fittings or something or whatever it may be, 3-day rental for $280. That's a great price. And then you could always say to Sarah Benet, listen, I would like to add. Everything is customizable. Everything is customizable. And it's wedding season. And guys, if you get married in COVID, you don't have to have 200 people. I think the limit is 100. That's all you need and a bar. Run away, bride. Run away, bride. And just stay over there. Your time is finished.
Oh.
Boring bride.
I'm not boring.
Husband, here I am. Husband.
Why did you get married? Why did you renew your vows while you were over in Bali?
I was gonna renew my vows over in Bali, but I got busy. Bali busy.
You got Bali busy?
Bali busy.
Oh.
Try on a style of dress that you wouldn't normally try on, 'cause this looks good on me. And it's gonna be easy to pee. Ooh. If Tracy wants to wee-wee, she needs to take friends with her. I can go wee-wee in the bush.
I feel like that's like the right of wedding dresses though.
See? Easy. I'm sold on this dress. I'm not hot. Temperature-wise. Yeah?
Boy.
I can dance. I can shimmy.
No, thank you.
You saw me. I went down there. Right, Spice?
Okay.
Spice is at my head table. I'm going over to the bar now.
Is she? Alright.
Oh, so you know what I did when I was a bride? Guys,
Okay, I'm back.
I'm not done. That garter belt thing that you wear, you can use it to stick things. So I would take a fan. I had a fan with me, my cigarettes, my lighter, and my spliff. I joke, I didn't have a spliff. But I just stuck things in my garter belt, especially a fan. And I'm sure you could get like the fan that has like the feathers, so you could look like super, bougie. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you so much for attending my wedding. I'll see you soon at the baby shower. Bye. Hi guys, Jodi is so crazy. Okay, so anyway,
So you can do a consultation. You can do the consultation from overseas. She's available to overseas clients as well. You should make your booking as soon as you've decided that you'll be needing her services, just so that she can do a proper timeline. And if you are international and you are wondering how she does a garment fitting, well, she does it by measurements, and then she puts it on her maiden form, which is a sewing mannequin or whatever, and then she sends it to you to try. Usually it fits perfectly because she's used a maiden form, but if not, you can send the dress back and she'll make alterations as needed necessary. The prices are dependent on the fabric chosen. So if you choose a super expensive fabric that has lots of rhinestones on it, it's obviously going to be much more expensive than if you have something that's a little bit more plain. Okay? Do they have whatever Jodi is drinking in the US? Asking for a friend. Oh, tricky shirt front. Oh wow, it's on back ways. Ah, that's nothing new.
Again?
That's nothing new. That's nothing new.
Oh my gosh, Tracy, no
So,
man.
yeah. So anyways, I am here. So I guess a lot of what I have to talk about and what I have to say nowadays is basically a lot about babies, because that's where I am in my life, right? So everything that you wear when you're breastfeeding has to open down the front. Okay? Or be like, or be loosey goosey that you can pull it.
Yeah.
You know? Where you got this actually?
Amazon. French store. You can't afford. Amazon. Amazon. Woo.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we would like to thank Sarah Benet for being in house to help us get in and out of the dresses, the beautiful dresses. I really like that dress.
You know, I liked mine too.
I would say for a bride, just step out. I know everybody, you know, they're like, oh, and they have the idea of what they want in their head.
But sometimes
Try
you
out
don't.
one dress that's
Yeah,
not done.
because sometimes you don't look good in what you think you look good in. And that was what your problem was when we went wedding dress shopping. You had an idea of what you thought you looked good in, but you just weren't tall enough for that style.
Whoa. I need to sneeze. Woo. Wait, are we zoomed in?
I don't know.
No, we're not zoomed in. Whew.
Okay.
Whew. Jodi, we need to see the leg workout day. Legs them look good. Thanks. I put them up and open. Joking.
Oh boy. So yeah. What else now?
Alright. So
You look good with braids in, you know, girl.
I love braids, but why is it that my scalp is like, oh, she got them braids? Yeah. Let's itch.
Oh.
It's a I think, and I know I should wash out the braiding hair with some apple cider vinegar. But who has time for that? But I think I'd be able to leave the braids in longer if I washed it with apple cider vinegar. Like, it is itching me, man. Jeez Louise.
Oh. Well, how long are you gonna keep it in for?
I think I'm gonna take it out either Wednesday or Thursday.
You know, I like braids, but I can't stand how heavy and big it is because it's something that I'm not used to.
These ones aren't that heavy and they're pretty long. But sleeping, I guess I've gotten used to it. Yo, the first time I put in box braids, nobody couldn't tell me. Nobody couldn't tell me. Jesus.
I think I'm gonna do a little braid though, just two down the middle. You remember when I did that style, you guys? Just two. What's happening here?
Chocolate balls.
Ah!
Alright, so we've had Lickamore on the show before and we love Lickamore. It's Jamaican chocolate, artesian chocolate, a next fancy word today, man.
It's from bean to bar, so it is fully made from Jamaican cocoa trees. So they take the cocoa and they do whatever, and it's from bean to bar. The lady's name is Nadine. The last time we spoke about her on the show, I'm pretty sure I teared up. I think I was pregnant. But I could tear up again talking about Nadine. She is absolutely fabulous. She is the founder of Lickamore. And she has put her heart and soul into this project. She's actually not even Jamaican. She came to Jamaica, fell in love with our country, and decided that she wanted to do something that was very Jamaican. And she came up with the Likkle More product.
Yeah, so this here, apart from her chocolate, she does, I'm looking and I'm seeing some chocolate dipped items. And here we have honeycomb dipped in dark milk chocolate. So I'm dying to try that. I'm going to cheat on my diet.
I just feel like you can open it while you're talking.
Okay, fine. You open it. You know what?
I just don't understand why she's sitting over there like doing her little Julie Mango movements while the chocolate is unopened.
So Jamaica's cacao beans, Jamaica's cocoa, Jamaica's chocolate is some of the best chocolate in the world. As a matter of fact, Hershey's chocolate, yes, buys over, I think it's 45% of their beans from Jamaica. So that's why them chocolate tastes good, because them have to come dip it in a Jamaica, you know? What's that? Well, let me see, taste. What's this?
Savor the flavor now, girl. You saw how much down? Yeah. Take it down your tongue, suck it.
Put it on your tongue.
Mm-hmm. Roll it around.
Mm-hmm.
On the top of your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Get that flavor.
Wash it down.
Mm-hmm. So this one is actually made with Jamaican honey as well. It's honeycomb dipped in dark chocolate. So I guess I need to take another bite to show you what the inside looks like.
What kind of honeycomb?
Like they take the honey and then they whip it and then they bake it so it's kind of fluffy on the inside.
Yeah, because this doesn't taste like what the bees go in. Show everybody. You have to use the YouTube hand.
Sorry.
This is really good.
Yeah. So and then she dipped it in the dark chocolate.
So guys, you know how I am about my supporting local. you want to eat chocolate, you want wear clothes, you want to get wedding dress. We have people here in Jamaica for you to support. Honestly, I can't explain this honeycomb thing in the middle. It's so good. I thought it was like the bees, the thing with the bees bill and she dipped it. It's not that.
No, it's not that. It's you whip the honey and I think
It's like the middle of a crunchy bar, but not as aerated. Aerated. Word of the day.
So her stuff is actually available at Cafe Blue. And Cafe Blue is in the airport as well, so this is a great gift to take away. So now this is what I've been dying to try.
There we go. That's their logo right there. Likkle More. So this is this the, what's this, is this gin? No, this is a citrus. Taste that.
Okay.
Oh, Nana don't reach up here. She love them chocolate.
So this is,
I don't know.
Orange and thyme. So this is dark chocolate dipped in orange crystals. What would I say? Like she dried the orange and then put like a sweet thing over it, and then she mixed it with thyme as well. Like, can we talk
I
about...
think this is the dark with thyme and candied oranges.
Yes. Dark chocolate with thyme and candied oranges. That's what you call it. Candied.
Alright, Trey, show everybody what you're working with now.
I mean...
Show the middle of the chocolate.
Oh wow. So it's like... It tastes like orange marmalade with chocolate over it. It tastes really good. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. For sure. Taste it. Joe. Taste it. I know you don't want a big piece because you're on your diet. But how is that?
That's good.
And dark chocolate has 0 calories, guys.
That's not true.
Yes, it is. If you believe it, so it is.
Don't tell no lie.
There's no calories in dark chocolate. So.
Oh, our cousin Kevin is here.
Hi, Kev. This is really good.
Alright, I just pinned and asked my cousin there if you want to check him out. He's always up to no good. That Kevin Burke guy.
I really like this one.
That's very nice.
The orange and the dark chocolate.
So where else can we get our things?
You can get them at Cafe Blue. You can get them at Butcher's Block in Manor Park. And there was one more gourmet, and you can get them at the commissary.
Yes, the commissary.
There. Yeah. So I really like this one. And you know, it's always nice to take a little something to your friends when you're going overseas.
And I find that, so you can buy them before, but I kind of like to buy things in the airport.
Me too, I love airport
because I
shopping.
find that it did not take up space in my luggage.
Yeah. I love airport shopping.
It's almost like a life hack.
Well, airport shopping just like kills time, don't it? So like you airport shop and then you...
I would do anything right now to go in the airport and shop.
Anything?
Anything.
There's some ugly men out there saying anything. Try this one. Okay. So tell me about your weekend. I haven't seen you since. Where were you, really?
So, I'd like to thank everybody who played along. I'm a well fool. Because when I saw Bali Phuket, and it was when somebody commented, how did you reach so far in 21 hours? I just thought that if it has beach, they're beside each other. You know, it's okay. We can't all be cute and
I asked you how
smart.
your weekend was.
It was good.
Where were you?
In Runaway Bay.
Oh, it was Runaway Bay. Oh,
Remy had a fabulous time.
she did. Oh my gosh, I saw her washing the clothes.
She washed clothes, she washed shoes. She was very busy.
She was
Keeping the
very
place
busy.
tidy,
Yeah.
Swimming.
I saw her swimming. She can hold her breath now.
She goes like this. So she'll chuck off, right? She doesn't move her feet or her hands, and she moves her hands back, and then she goes like this. So, I see the question asking about my diet. My diet has been going really well. I need to kind of do a reset because this weekend, you know, I didn't want to be that person. Oh my God, can't eat that. So I just try to keep the carbs down, but you know, say you have to have like a dumpling, you have to have like a plantain and them things, the breadfruit when you're on your trip. But I'm gonna do a little reset. I have to taste a little more chocolate because I know this brand and this. You can't leave this here, you know.
Me?
No, girl, you can't leave it here. I will yam it off.
I know. It's really hard. It's really, really hard. So anyway, what has been going on in the news lately? Is there anything great for us to talk about? J-Lo has come out with a new song. She says she and Ben Affleck broke up because Ben Affleck had a drinking problem and she couldn't manage it. But Ben, hold this.
We're gonna play a little game. Ready? I don't really know how it goes, but alright, here's what we're gonna do. What you have to do is when the light goes green, you have to click that black button at the top, okay? Ready? Ow! Ow! Tracy!
I didn't know what was going on. What happened?
Alright, let's go one more time. So guys, this game got it on Amazon. I actually got it for a friend of mine as a gift. She likes to play games. So what we have here is this weird looking contraption. It has 4 handles, right? And then you hold the handle and then this is going off with that weird sound. When it stops and goes, what was it, green? You have to click this button. If you don't, you get shocked. And it's a rated shock. Shari, come and play. Just with one hand.
Sarah.
Shari. And then the brand is Sarah Benet.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Come.
Right? Hold your handle tray.
Okay.
This is
Hi,
the designer.
Okay, because I was going crazy because when we were doing the fitting, I called her Shari all day and then she told me Sarah. But the brand is Sarah Benet. I know. Okay.
Don't make me get shocked, you know.
You must be fast.
Okay.
Exactly.
This one is not working.
Well, switch then.
Alright.
Alright, ready.
Lightning reaction, and I bought it as a gift for somebody, and I was like, you know, let's see if
That's a really cute game. Yeah.
Oh, you don't get shocked yet.
Because I'm fast.
Watch it.
Oh no, that's horrible.
I like it.
That was at level 1. It can go up to level 4. Let's play with Levi.
That's terrible.
That's really nice. What's the game called?
It's called Lightning Reaction, Electric Shock Reaction Game.
I love it.
You do?
Yeah.
So I was gonna take it on and have an adult weekend coming up for somebody's birthday. My friend Twyla, and she loves games. So I was like, oh, let me try it, you know, try this out. I want to give
still
it to
feel
Twyla.
it.
Yes, get that shock, man. Jeez.
It's like when you shock yourself with a mosquito rocket.
Yeah, okay, level 1 is mosquito rocket shock. And then level 4, I guess, would be like JPS shock.
Oh, wow.
It's called lightning reaction.
Wow, that's kind of crazy though, eh?
See, look how it looks. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
really cool.
Jeez, on peace, man. Thought I'd do a couple rounds, but I can't do any more. Whew.
So tell us more about your flight to Bali. Ray Baby was asking.
Yeah, I was on my personal jet.
Oh, you took the jet.
Yeah, what's this? It's not called a personal jet. What's it called? Private jet. It's called a private jet.
Oh, you took the jet.
Yeah.
How was that?
Great. Levi flew it all the way from Bali over to Phuket. Yeah.
And then it was good.
You know, sometimes you have to just take yourself there in your
Levi
head.
flew.
Mm-hmm.
Levi was a pilot.
The pilot.
The pilot.
Pilot.
How come
Pilot.
what sunblock were you using on him? Why did he look like that?
So there's this sunblock by Baby Organics, and when you spray it out, it sprays like, I guess it's full of zinc, and it sprays white. But I can see that they're covered. I can see where I've missed, and I can see when it's worn off. But it just looks so horrible on them. Like, they look like little zombies. But guess what? They were in the sun, in the pool, beach, 24/7, and neither of them are burnt. So I understand that they looked a little funny, but they're not crispy. So
Yeah, and poor Remy, she look like she can get Christmas.
Remy
cards.
is now a brownie.
I know.
I'm so happy. You know, I remember when Remy was born, I was like, Mommy, when is she gonna get some color? Mommy, she's
Well, it's only been 2 years and she finally got color.
No, man, Tracy. Alright, she was.
What are you talking
She was this
about?
weird color for the first few months, and then you could see kind of getting.
Remy was like see-through. She was so white. I had to ask Jodi one day. I said, Jo, if you found out that Remy was switched at birth, how would you feel about it?
I don't know. I'd want both children then.
You don't both?
Yeah, I'd want both. I'd keep Remy and I want my other baby. That would solve a lot of problems, actually.
I just found out you have Stevie. Stevie is here for the taking. She love you.
And I'm going to go downstairs soon and talk to Stevie, my sweetie.
She love her Jojo, you see?
No, her head was looking up, but I couldn't even talk to her because I was putting on my wedding dress.
I know, priorities, eh? Priorities. Where can we find Likkle More Chocolate? Likkle More Chocolate is available at Butcher's Block, at the Commissary, and also at Cafe Blue locations, island-wide. So she does a lot more flavors than what we had today. Those 2 flavors are her 2 new flavors, the honeycomb and the orange thyme.
So
drizzle.
good.
Oh, I love the orange.
Come, Hattie.
Watch
I
out!
have to do my debut over again.
Oh, okay. Not with the game.
Jodi didn't tell me.
I'm sorry, because I didn't want to be shocked again. Ladies and gentlemen, designer extraordinaire.
No! Watch out! Oh, God!
You customize this?
Because you
see?
see, it's the same thing as your dress. You
Yes.
realize the same pattern.
So this is the designer and
Of Sarah Benet.
of Sarah Benet,
Her name is
Shari,
Shari,
right?
yes.
And what she can do now is she can tell us a little bit more about her brand. So she's customized this jacket here. So, you know, anything, if you're going to a party.
It's a blazer dress.
A blazer dress, okay.
Watch out.
Okay.
Watch
So
out.
plus size woman.
Oh, plus
Yes,
size
we
woman.
cater to plus size women. as
That's
well.
excellent.
Yeah.
That's good.
Because I think that's a concern
Everybody
for a
can
lot.
look beautiful. Everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody type.
Yeah.
So guys, did you have any questions about the beautiful gowns we had on before? Or anything about, yes, the designer? Woo! So you've done quite a few people, because we have some of your clients here that have logged on and they're saying, Kuya. They're saying yes, that you've done dresses for their events and stuff like that. So about how many wedding dresses would you say you've done?
Excluding samples, probably 2.
2? Okay. And then, so about how many dresses you have in your rental catalog?
6 at the moment.
6 at the moment.
But Poshmark has the sale.
Oh yeah, let's talk a little bit about Poshmark. So Poshmark is like your online store. How does it work?
Because the website is not ready.
Okay.
I've decided to do a Poshmark in the meantime.
Okay.
So my samples go on Poshmark.
Ah.
Definitely not customization stuff, but
Also, Poshmark is like
it's online.
It's an online
It's like
store.
an online store.
So it's like an
Oh.
Etsy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, something. of
Oh, okay.
sort. So
okay.
you can put your stuff on Poshmark.
You know, because I didn't know that was Poshmark. I didn't know that's what it was.
And it ships in 2 days. So
Oh.
the weight, the weight.
Okay.
Is
Oh, that's really cool. Okay.
I would definitely buy a party dress from ya.
Yes.
Thank you.
So the party dresses that you do, so the material for those, you get that material overseas as well?
The beaded dresses.
Just the beaded dresses, okay.
Those are done overseas.
So I'm guaranteed then, of course, if I get a customizable dress or gown, that I will be the only person with
Of
that on,
course.
which I think that's a big thing for Jamaicans, because we go out and a lot of our stores here, they'll bring in like the small, medium, and the large, and then you kind of say to the sales associate, "You're selling medium yet? Okay, don't let them go to this party."
And even if you give me a picture to say, this is what I want.
Yeah.
I don't know. I always tell my clients, just do something different.
Right.
You know,
Yeah.
the fabric won't be the same. The structure will be there.
Right.
However, still go a bit different.
Right.
You know?
Okay.
So.
And it's party season now. Somebody says, that's really cool. Oh,
Yeah.
it's like a little Amazon then. 'Cause
I had
didn't-
no idea. I didn't know
Okay.
about Poshmark.
Oh.
And the link is in our bio, so.
Oh, okay.
Earlier the word was used was Etsy. Okay, which, that's great, because you can get your things out there, and it's like so Poshmark is like the host whole
Yeah.
site.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
So it's like your own personal store.
Yeah.
So if you have clothes that you're not wearing, people tend to put them on Poshmark.
Oh.
Oh, that's cool.
For one wear, you know?
Yeah. Tracy
Poshmark.
gets upset that she
Because I have clients that have their Poshmark stores that I've given dresses to,
Yeah.
and they put them on Poshmark.
Oh.
Or Etsy, yeah.
Does she do custom wedding dresses?
Yes,
she
we do.
does. So you're very talented.
Thank you.
So the dress that I had on at the beginning of the show, the little beaded number, so she can take that and she can customize it, or a customized dress from scratch. You guys can sit down and draw. You can bring in your mood board and Shari can hook you up. Love the individual tailored look. What's the starting price? So let's talk, you want to talk about like starting price for wedding dresses, customized wedding dresses, and then starting price for like going out dresses?
That's a bit hard. Why? Because it just depends on so many aspects.
Yeah.
The fabric, the tailoring of the outfit, how quickly you want the outfit, that's a big factor. Because if you come to me and say, listen, I have something I need in 3 days, I'm going to have to charge for that. Because then I'll have to put seamstresses on board.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So could I come to you and be like, hey, I have this amount, what can we do?
This amount.
Like if I have this amount
budget.
of money, like a budget,
Yes, definitely,
and you'll be able to work with me?
Definitely, yeah. Because that's one of the questions I ask clients when they come to me.
Yeah.
What's your budget?
Yeah.
Because it doesn't make sense, you come to me, I want this blazer dress, and my budget is $100.
Yeah.
I can't tell you off the bat, listen. But then, you know, so
Yeah.
I always ask, what's your budget?
Yeah.
It's
I
not...
think- I think that's a good thing for you to ask people to what is your budget.
So I can guide you. Say, okay, you can get a blazer dress for $100 without the beading.
Right,
Or
right,
this type of trimming.
Right,
Not
right.
hand placed stones, you know, stuff like that.
Yeah.
So Harry from primary school, is that you?
Who?
What's your first name?
Shari.
Shari?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not her.
It's not me.
Oh, sorry.
Those are some nice boobies.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, and it's as Shari was saying, it's hard to price anything that's custom made. So it's not like she can say right now, oh, this is definitely going to cost us. Unless you're looking at one of her dresses that we modeled earlier on today, Jodi, that she has for rent, and those are available for rent. And honestly, like, I really think that renting a wedding dress is a very smart idea. Like,
Yes.
it's
Yeah.
just,
Something you're going to do one time.
Another
Yeah.
one of your clients says that you're way more affordable than say designers in the US.
Yeah, we have to be. In Jamaica, we have to be.
yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think about, so when you get back the dresses from rentals and stuff like that, from somebody who's rented the dresses, right? What is it that you have to do? Because you've nipped it in for it to fit me. So how do you make the dress look fresh for your next client?
How it is altered, we're not going to remove fabric.
Okay.
So I will always be able to, if for example you ask for a dress and you are smaller than I am, I can take it in for you, but then pull it back out for somebody my size.
Right.
So it's not removing the fabric. So
Yeah,
it
she
is
like you don't
flexible.
cut it.
Exactly.
So you
Nip
hem
and
it
tuck
in
it out,
here.
yeah.
So it fits you, but she hasn't cut off
There's
like the
allowance.
extra. Yeah.
Yeah.
And how do you clean the dress?
It's dry clean.
It's dry clean. Okay.
As Remy would
So-
say, here to me today.
However,
Bleach.
You get it dry cleaned and you should return it dry cleaned.
Okay.
Oh.
Yes, there will be a fee if it's not returned. Dry
Okay.
cleaned.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, because my wedding dress sit down in the cupboard, you know, and I always wonder what am I going to do with it.
Sell it. And
Yeah.
then people
Okay.
will buy it.
True.
Yeah,
Yes,
and
from holy childhood days, you can't trick
Who
them.
is this?
Yeah, lots of your friends are here, you know.
And I don't talk about my lacy fit show. Who knew?
St. Catherine
Hello,
Carter, we used to call her Tashari. Alright guys, so we have a minute and a half remaining on the show. We're gonna give you some bonus footage over on IG. Yes, girl. Yeah.
Show it off.
Some bonus footage over on YouTube, so make sure you check us out. You can go over to our YouTube channel, Jodi and Tricky, and you can check out all the videos. There was a channel takeover yesterday by Levi. Please make
saw
sure you
that.
check out the video.
It was so funny. But I love how he twangs like a real Jamaican. All of a sudden, him get like a spotlight and have to twang.
Guys, my belly's hurting me.
Then he
Like,
said, oh, my belly. Look at my belly. I can't wait to eat this food. I'm like,
so you can check it out and let me know what you think. I think the comments have to be turned off because he's a child in the video. So, okay. We're gonna go because I want to save this live, and of course you can check us out in high definition over on YouTube by IG.
And,
Come on,
please follow us, Sarah Benet _.
Bye guys. If you don't stop it, then you lose it.
Yeah, so we're here. This is where we get our bonus footage now. If you don't stop, you lose it.
Oh, I didn't really realize.
So Tracy
that.
is here in her shirt that is what you call it, inside out.
It's actually Scott's shirt that's inside out.
Oh.
I know. Yeah, as I was saying, you have to have everything buttoned down now that you're breastfeeding. I actually put some milk in a bottle and gave it to Mommy to feed Stevie today.
Really?
Yeah.
How's she doing?
And I don't hear her screaming, so I hope she's doing okay. I actually told Mommy to give it to her cold, so don't even warm up the milk.
Cold or like room temperature? What are you
Cold.
doing so many? Yo, I forgot down
It's
there now.
hot. It's a summer day. What are you talking about?
What do you think this is, a bar of breast milk?
Yeah.
Well, breast milk.
Clearly she thinks so. I mean.
She's crying or she's down there crying getting cold milk? The hell?
She's getting a slushy. What are you talking about?
Guys, I'm going to go. I need to go and check out what is happening with my niece because she's down there drinking slushy breast milk. I just can't even manage.
I feel like you want to taste the slushy breast milk. That's why you're heading out.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching and see you next week, Tuesday.